Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech Bulletin Prime. I am Rajnikant and today's video we're gonna discuss what is Git Branch, right? So what is Git Branch command and what it can do. So if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications. So let's begin. So let me open the paint box. Git Branch command allow you to create branches and all the branching related operations, right? So git branch command can allow you to do all the branching related operations, right? So let's see why you require a branch at all, right? So suppose let's assume that there is no branch at all, right? Only single repo is there, single repo with a one location means one branch master, right? Suppose only one thing is there, that's called master. So this is our local repo, right? So this is our master local and this is our master remote. Master remote, master remote. Okay. So why you required a branching concept, right? So let me show you. So suppose here 201 commit. This is suppose a commit number 20 commit 200 commit, right? So like this lot of commits are there, 199 commit. These are the some commits are there by some other persons of your team members. These are the commits are there, right? Suppose you want to develop three features parallelly, right? So if you take this code to your workspace and at the same time you are doing three things parallelly means it's very difficult to manage those stuffs, right? So what you can do here, from this base master, this is a local, from this base code you can create three branches. You can create three branches, right? Suppose these are the three branches are there, you can create like these three branches. So in all the branches the same base code will be there, right? So this 201 commit, 200 commit, then 199 commit, right? So these base codes will be there in all these branches, right? Sorry. Okay, so here in this base, in this all branches, those base codes will be there, right? So on top of that one, you can develop whatever you want. Suppose here these are the three branches are there. You can create three branches with different name, with different feature name. Then you can parallelly can develop those features, right? So whenever you want, you can switch this branch. Then you can work on this. Whenever you want to work in the second feature, then you can switch these two branch. Then if you want to develop the third feature, you can switch this branch. So this is very ease of doing things, right? If you want to develop different features and parallelly, so you can create three branches and at parallelly you can develop by your own, right? So this is one use case. One more use case I will give you. What is I mean in real time also we are doing that one. So this is a very good use case. Suppose this is a single branch, I mean no other branches. Suppose this is master, right? and you have, suppose here, some one or two, this is your commit, my commit, right? Then suppose one not one x commit, some x person committed that one, 100 y commit, some y person committed, right? So suppose this branch went to production, right? So this code went to production, right? So suppose this is the product prod server, and sorry, and this code is went to there, I mean it's went to production. Control C, Control V. So suppose this code went to production. Okay, so in prod some exception occurred, or some weird behavior occurred, right? Something, some functionality got broken, right? So because just see you have last commit one not two, right? I mean, earlier up to one not one commit was there before, I mean before production, and then one or two only single commit on top of this one, only your commit one or two went to production, and after going to production it shows some weird behavior and it broken some functionality, right? So how you can ensure that yes, my code is problem, right? Or your commit caused this problem or broken this functionality, how you'll ensure that one? So what you can do, just from this master branch create another branch. There is different way, but this is one way. So from this master branch, create another branch, right? So from where that existing commits were there, right? So suppose prior to this production, up to 101 commit it was there, right? So before your changes went to production, earlier it was 101, up to this commit it went to production earlier, I mean before that one. So what you can do, you can create a branch of the you can create a branch with this 101 commit, right? So you can create a branch with 101 commit, 101, right? So here you have created a branch which contains previous production code, right? So now it went to with your code, right? Only one or two commit, but earlier whatever that code was in production, that was up to 101 x commit, right? So what you can do, you can create a branch of the previous production code, right? So here 101 x commit up to here, so you can create a branch and you can test with this with the test data to that functionality. So if that is working fine, and if that is working fine, but in master branch with your changes one or two my commit, that functionality is not working, then it's problem with your code, and it causes that functionality break for your code, right? So this is one use case. A lot of time we are using like this one. So here I given the example like prod, but still in QA, in stage or UAT, whatever those we are facing this kind of situation, then that time we are using like this, right? So before your commit, whatever the things are there, just create a branch and test it with that one, right? So test with both the things, with your changes and without your changes. If without your changes it's working fine and with your changes it's working not fine, then it's the problem with your code. So let's see another use case. You should suppose this is master branch, right? And master branch, and here to one commit is there, to zero commit is there, right? So 201 and 200 commits are there, right? So suppose you want to experiment something, right? So you don't want to disturb the existing code, but you want to do some experimental thing, right, to that code, or you want to enhance some functionalities, but you want to first experiment this one, right? So instead of directly developing or making changes to this branch, what you can do, you can create a separate branch and you can do your experiment thing on that branch, so your existing code to that branch will not affect, right? So a lot of time we are doing like this. You can create a separate branch, and whatever you want to experiment you can do on top of this one. So you are not changing anything to this master branch, right? So you are not disturbing this one, and whatever the changes will be there, here it will be there. 201 commit, 200 commit. So once you have done your experiment and you are satisfied, yes, it is the feasible solution, then you can merge it back to master, right? So this is one more use cases. And whenever we are getting some user story or a bug fixing, always you are create a branch, and in that branch we'll develop, and at the end we'll raise a PR to that branch, right? So hope at least you got that picture. So why branches are required. So let's see whatever the whatever that branch command can do, or that different branching operations will do with that git branch command. So let's begin. So let me show you whatever the different operations we can do. So these are the all the commands we can perform. Git branch, it lists out all the local branches, and git branch hyphen a means git branch hyphen all means it will show all the branches, local and remote as well. Coming to third one, it's git branch hyphen r, so which will show that all the remote tracking branches, right? And what is that git branch? So how you will create a branch? Git branch command with branch name. If you want to create a branch from a particular branch, suppose you want to create a branch from develop, then you should in the develop branch, then only you can create the branch, right? Then how to delete? Git branch hyphen d, you can delete the local branch, and git branch hyphen d capital D, it will forcefully delete a local branch. So suppose in that branch some still that merging issues are there and you have not yet merged, but if you hit git branch hyphen capital D, it will delete forcefully to that branch, right? Then coming to git push origin hyphen delete. So if you want to delete a remote branch, how can you delete? So git push origin hyphen delete and that branch name. Coming to last one, how you can rename a branch. So it's a simple command, git branch hyphen m. So let's see one by one these commands we'll see. Okay, so this is one of my project. So this is one of my project folder. So let me open the git bash here. Okay, so what is the first command? Git branch, right? Git branch. So it will list out the local branches, right? So you can see feature JUnit migration. This is one local branch and one branch is master. So in what branches you are in currently, it will show a star mark, right, with green symbol. So currently we are in the master branch, right? So let's see this is one command. What is the next command? Git branch hyphen a. So git branch hyphen a. So this will list out all the branches, local and remote as well. So let's see. So here you can see local branches. These two are local branches, and these two are remote tracking branches, right? So feature JUnit 5 migration, one branch, and the star mark with the green color. This indicates we are in the current branch or whatever the branches we are in currently. Then coming into these two, these are the two remote tracking branches with the red color, right? So this hyphen a, it will show all the branches. So let's see. Let's move to the next one. Git branch hyphen r. So it will show the all the remote branches. Git branches hyphen r. So you can see earlier hyphen all means it's showing that all the branches, but now it's showing only two branches, right, which are remote tracking branches, or is origin feature JUnit 5 migration, origin master, right? So let's move to that next one. Git branch, create a branch from the current branch, right? So currently we are in the master branch, right? So if you want to create a branch, so just hit git branch. So this branch will create from master branch, right? Suppose you want to create a branch from feature JUnit 5 migration, right? So that time first you need to move to that branch. Then only you can create that branch, right? So let's create a branch. So now it will create from master branch. Git branch feature feature. So generally this is some naming convention. I mean, whatever you can do. So feature means generally, I mean, to uh, identify easily. Git branch feature slash, if it's a feature or new functionality. If it's a bug fix, you can type bug fix, right, slash, or you can type bug, sorry, fix, not bug, sorry, fix slash. Then generally how we are following, suppose in your project some Jira number will be there, right? Some ticket number, not ticket, it's a Jira number or user story number. So you are how you are doing, fix slash, then that user story. Suppose US 201. This is the user story. Then that functionality, whatever that I mean, suppose you are like this JUnit 5 migration, right? So you can type JUnit 5 fix, right? So generally this is the convention. So let's hit enter. Yes. So this branch got created, right? But still we are in the master branch. It's indicating that branch got created, but still we are in the master branch. So let's see. We'll hit git branch hyphen a. So here you will see uh, three local branches will be there. Earlier two local branches were there, right? So now three local branches will be there and two remote branches will be there. Yes, let's see. Feature JUnit 5 migration earlier branch. This is the new branch, whatever it's got created freshly. Fix last US 2001 JUnit 5 fix. So this is the branch just now got created. And this three are local branches you can see, but only two are remote tracking branches. So how you can reflect this one to remote tracking? You need to push into our remote tracking. I mean, you need to push this one to our remote repo, right? So we got how to create this branch. So let me move that next command. Git branch hyphen delete. So let's see how we'll delete. So before that one, let us perform this renaming, right? Once rename, then we'll delete. I mean, this branch already we have recently created, right? So once we'll rename this one, then we'll delete. Let's rename this one git branch hyphen m. If we'll rename means it will rename the master branch. So let's first move to our local branch. Let me copy this one. So git checkout and command is there. So which will switch your branches. If you want to switch another branch, just git checkout that branch name. Just you can see earlier it was master, now it was that current branch, right? So let me rename git branch hyphen m. Then let's do fix us 2002 JUnit fix, sorry, JUnit 5 hyphen fix. Yes, just see earlier it was fix us 2001, but now it is fix slash us 2002, right? So it's got renamed. So we got that command. So now we have experimented this delete, and let's we have already, sorry, I mean we need to delete, right? We have renamed this one. Now let's delete. Git checkout, git checkout master. Yeah, then let's delete now. Deleted branch fix slash us 2002, right? So let's see git branch hyphen a. So now you can see that branch is not there, only two branches are there, right? So this is all about git branch. So how to create a branch, how to delete a branch, how to rename that branch, what are the different branches available in your local, what are all the branches available. So we have discussed, right? So one more thing, if you want to create a branch for a particular commit, right? So here whatever the branches we have created from the master branch directly we have created, right? But you want to create a branch from a particular commit, right? So how you'll do that one? It runs, sorry. So how you'll do that one? Git branch, then branch name, then that particular hash of that commit, right? We'll get a hash for that commit, right? So how you'll do that one? Let me show you. Git log. So here you'll see that hash, right? So you can see this commit hash, right? So you can copy this hash. Let me. So this is the latest commit, right? So let's copy this hash. Let's copy this hash. Then git branch. Some branch name. Last commit branch. Then here you can pass that hash. Okay, sorry, it's my bad. We need to type branch, right? Git branch. Let's hit enter, right? So just see git branch, last commit branch. This branch got created. Let's see git branch, git branch. Last commit branch you can see reflected it here, right? So if you want to create a branch from a particular commit, also you can do that one. So this is whole this branch command thing. So hope you got some basic information about this git branch command, and if it's helpful to you, please do subscribe my channel, share this video, and like this video. And yes, please do comment this video, how is that video, or if anything is lagging from my side, then I will try to enhance those stuffs. And if you want to see some more technical stuffs video on what topic you want, just give your feedback into the comment sections, so that will be a great help to me, right? So thank you, bye bye.